Welcome to CineExpress, where we make project tracking easy. So, when you first log in, you're going to be greeted with a screen like this. First, you can see on the sidebar, you have your dashboard, which is this screen right here. The project stages, where you can track the progress of your project. Tickets, where you can submit tickets when things go wrong, especially after the project's done. If you have SentiCare, you will be able to submit tickets there or just submit tickets for things that might be going wrong with the site, any problems. Submissions, when you do your onboarding, you can see your onboarding submissions for every project that you've started. If you have multiple websites, you might have different onboarding. So that's why you might have multiple submissions. Calculators, where you can calculate the price of projects. This is where we typically give you an estimate on how much a project will cost. The revisions, if you need to submit revisions, so for example, changes that need to be done on the site during the process of design or during the process of building, this is where you submit those. We have the ability to screen record, and you can take pictures, draw on those pictures, and show us exactly what's wrong. In the Learning Center, this will be where you see all the videos like this that talk about things to do in the CineExpress platform. And finally, manage CineCare. If you get CineCare, which is our monthly web maintenance services, you will be able to manage CineCare there. So any CineCare products, whether that's the ability to update in the future, if you want to be able to update your website unlimited, or if you just want web maintenance, so we take care of simple stuff for you, not new updates, but if anything breaks down, then CentiCare is where you will do that. If you want a quick tour of the dashboard, you can always click here, and it's going to give you a quick tour of the dashboard of everything you can do. So you can see it's showing you where tasks, upcoming deadlines, and everything that you can do on this main screen. Your projects will show up here. And that's pretty much everything when it comes to the main dashboard for CineExpress. In other videos, we're going to dive deeper into what CineExpress can do and how we can track projects. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.